So now what we need to do is that we need to work on the design of this article. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to just minimize this. I'm going to add this side by side. And then I'm going to add the CSS style here immediately. I don't need to, I can use the CSS folder. Remember, we have this CSS folder. But I'm not going to be using it here because I want to show you that you still can use the inline CSS. So here I'm going to use the inline CSS. I'm going to say style, and then for this style I'm going to say margin 0 10 auto, and then for the width I'm going to say width 50%, and let me refresh. As you can see, this is going to look like this. And then for the second one, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to copy this style. I'm going to paste it here as well, here in this div and in this div. Let me save and refresh. And as you can see, they all have the same style. Finally, I need to work on this button. So for this button, I'm going to add some styles. I'm going to say style. And then for this style, I'm going to say background. So the background color for the button is going to be blue. And the color itself, is going to be white. Let me refresh. And as you can see, this is the button. It's going to look like this. And for this H1, I'm going to say style, and then the style is going to be text center, text align center. Let me refresh, and as you can see, it's going to be centered. And since this is not a design course, I'm not going to continue. Wasting my time on this design. But if you want to learn more about web design, you can take my course about web design, and also you can take my course about Bootstrap, and you will learn a lot of things about design and how to design your HTML code.